hotter, hotter, hotter. What them a go do ya now? New link on the attack now. Hotter. Bring a old chain setter. New link. Hotter.
Bless up my people, big up on yourself, man. I don't know the thing going here. I don't know, so they attacking boss there. So now my viewers and subscribers, Zine, we see a go on now, bass stunting, gunshot a beat and everything, rifle them out and they wanted them out and everything. People, so them said this took place now recently up in a St. Andrew there, right? And them said the police them approve this because them said it was a gathering where more than 10 persons should be and too much people didn't know social distancing and you can hear shot a beat out people and you can see bikers stunting. Well, people, according to the information that's reached the New Link about this event, it is a 9-night for one of the own JCF members, and this is a vlog that I did even do where a policeman was on his way home from work, people, on his motorcycle, and he met into an accident and, you know what I mean, him passed away. Well, this is a 9-night for that young man. And as I can see, people, wash at a beat. What biker stunting and they phone them out and slapping and snapping. Well, viewers and subscribers, all I can say, people just not take them life serious a certain way. Yeah, man. You know wrong? I'm more than passing as someone, people. You get what me I say? But in the end, think about your life, you know. The face of the man dead if the man could have soon right now. Man that say, yo, you want to risk in life there, so. When you see your COVID that go on a yard, you see it take out local picnic. It take out middle age, it take out all people, everybody. Who not secure for your life? Who not go out there out and stunting and keep the guns them bumping? My condolences to Squaddy again, you know. You understand people, and me understand them and mourn them bridging, laugh and thing, but not the end, yo. Boy, John No Star. Big up to yourself, people. Enough love, enough respect. Don't know the attacking boss there. Peace out. Big up.